In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Siteground Ftp. If you're ready to manage your website files with ease, let's dive right in. To get started, open your preferred web browser and visit Siteground's homepage. This is where you'll manage all your web hosting needs. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on this to access your Siteground account. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials, so make sure you have your login details handy. After you successfully log in, you'll find yourself on your Siteground dashboard where all your hosting accounts are managed. Next, navigate to My Siteground account. Here you'll see an overview of your hosted websites. It's the central hub for everything you need to manage your site, from emails to files. Once you're in My Siteground account, the next step is to head to Site Tools. You'll usually find this option right next to the website you wish to manage. Click on Site Tools to proceed. It's where all the technical magic happens. Now within the Site Tools dashboard, you want to look for a section simply labelled Site. Click on that to reveal a series of tools that you can use to manage your website. Among these tools, you should see an option named FTP Accounts. This is crucial for setting up FTP access, which will allow you to transfer files to and from your website server. Once you're in the FTP Accounts section, you'll be able to create new FTP accounts. This is where you'll specify who gets access to the website files and what level of access they should have. Click on the Create New FTP Account button, typically located towards the top or bottom of the page. You'll then be asked to fill out some details. Here, you'll need to input the username and password that will be used to access the FTP account. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your website secure. You'll also have the option to determine the directory that this FTP account will have access to. By default, it might access the main directory, but you can change this if necessary. Once everything is entered correctly, hit the Create button to finalize your new FTP account, and there you have it. You've successfully set up FTP access for your Siteground hosted site. This setup not only helps in managing your website's files, but also makes it seamless to perform updates and backups. With this knowledge, you can move on to uploading or downloading files with your preferred FTP client such as FileZilla or CyberDuck. If you ever need to manage or update these accounts, you can revisit the FTP account section for adjustments. Thank you for sticking with me through this guide. See you in the next tutorial.